Today in this video, I show you how to use VPN on your Android device. For this, you have to open Google Play Store and download a third-party app. Now search VPN. Now you have a variety of apps. You can choose the app according to your choice. Let's try this app, which name is Windscribe VPN. I already downloaded this app to save time. Now open this. Now if you want to choose a specific server, then you can choose from these servers by opening it. Now these hard servers are free and these star servers are paid or premium. If you want, you can pay for them and then you can use them. Now when you click on the server, your VPN connecting will automatically start here. Now this server VPN is connected, and if you don't want a specific server, then click on this best location. And this app will automatically connect to best VPN server. If you register in this app with your email, then you get 10 GB data per month for free. You can check your free data usage here. And now if you open this menu, then go to account. You can check your plan reset date and data left from here. And now, in connections, you get options like always on VPN, auto connect, connection mode, or auto connect on boot. So that's all you have to do for connecting VPN. And if you want the download link of this app, then check out the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.